where we review the top tech products. Number 5. Best Budget Speakers, ELAC Debut B5.2. The ELAC Debut B5.2 is our pick as the best budget bookshelf speaker. The speakers measure 13.4 inch by 7.1 inch by 9.2 inch, weigh 13 pounds each, and are available in one color, black. Each two-way speaker has a 5.25-inch air mid-fiber woofer with greater stiffness and damping superior to polypropylene or paper that allows more flexibility in design to achieve a smoother, extended low-frequency response. They also have a 1-inch silk dome tweeter that features wide roll surround and lifelike high frequencies. The speakers have a maximum power input of 120 watts, 6 ohms impedance, and a frequency range of 46 Hz to 35,000 Hz. The thick MDF cabinets are ported and feature a luxurious textured vinyl finish and are internally braced for greater stiffness and strength. This greatly reduces cabinet vibrations that cause unwanted coloration. The front-facing dual-flared port lets you place the cabinet against walls or bookshelves without compromising performance. ELAC redesigned these speakers from the ground up. Improving on its award-winning predecessor was no easy task, but the Debut B5.2 delivers performance in inverse proportion to its compact size and produces sound that surpasses speakers that cost significantly more. If you're looking for a great performer at an affordable price, you should consider the ELAC Debut B5.2. Number 4. Best Surround Sound Speakers, Pioneer SP-BS22 ALR. The Pioneer SP-BS22 ALR is our selection as the best surround sound bookshelf speaker. The speakers measure 14.3 inch by 7.1 inch by 8.4 inch, weigh 11.2 pounds each, and are available in one color, black vinyl. Designed by Andrew Jones, the speakers feature a fully integrated concentric up-firing driver that consists of a half-inch soft dome tweeter mounted in the center of a 4-inch woofer. The two-way up-firing design produces a more spacious and detailed sound than speakers using a single full-range driver. The two-way front-firing portion of the speaker has a 4-inch woofer for bass and mid-range and a 1-inch soft dome tweeter for improved clarity. The front-firing drivers blend with the up-firing drivers to immerse you in a surround sound landscape. The speakers have a maximum power input of 80 watts, 6 ohms impedance, a frequency range of 55 Hz to 20,000 Hz for the front-facing drivers, and a 180 Hz to 20,000 Hz frequency range for the up-firing drivers. The cabinet is sealed and features a curved construction designed to reduce vibrations and standing sound waves inside of the cabinet, resulting in high performance and exceptional sound quality. The oversized vented magnet structure extends bass response, and the sophisticated crossover design reproduces accurate sound. The speakers feature Dolby Atmos support and reflect sound off the ceiling to produce a ceiling speaker effect. If you're interested in experiencing immersion, take a look at the Pioneer SP-BS22A LR. Number 3. Best Wireless Speakers, Audio Engine HD3. The Audio Engine HD3 is our pick as the best wireless bookshelf speakers. The speakers measure 7 inch by 4.3 inch by 5.5 inch. The left speaker weighs 4 pounds and the right speaker weighs 3.4 pounds and are available in 4 colors: black, white, cherrywood, and walnut. The two-way speakers have a 2.75-inch air mid-fiber woofer with rubber surrounds, which allows the woofer to retain its shape even when being driven at high levels. They also have a 0.75-inch silk dome tweeter with neodymium magnets that hold up well under high power and produce smooth response. Both drivers are directly video shielded, so you can place the speakers within a few inches of a video monitor. The Class AB amplifiers are located in the left speaker and have a power output of 15 watts RMS and a 30-watt peak power per channel. The speakers have a frequency range of 65 Hz to 22,000 Hz. The cabinet has thick, high-resin MDF walls with extensive internal bracing. It uses heavy internal sound damping material to reduce unwanted sound reflections inside the cabinet. The rounded edges look great and reduce high-frequency diffraction effects on the front baffles. It is also ported and has a tuned front-facing port slot. The Bluetooth built into the HD3 speakers features aptX HD support, so you can wirelessly stream music from any Bluetooth-enabled device. It features an extended wireless range with careful signal management circuitry and antenna tuning that gives you up to 3 times the range of standard Bluetooth. It also features a 24-bit DAC that's widely known for its low noise and high fidelity. If you're looking for a bookshelf setup without wires cluttering up the space, the Audio Engine HD3 is a great option. Number 2. Runner-up Audio Engine A5 Plus. The Audio Engine A5 Plus is the runner-up on our list of best bookshelf speakers. The left speaker measures 10.8 inch by 7 inch by 9 inch and weighs 15.4 pounds. The right speaker measures 10.8 inch by 7 inch by 7.8 inch and weighs 9.6 pounds. The speakers are available in 3 colors: satin black, high gloss white, and natural bamboo. The two-way speakers have a 5-inch aramid fiber woofer with advanced voice coils and rubber surrounds that are robust enough to stand up to serious thrashing, so you don't have to use speaker grills. They also have 0.75-inch silk dome tweeters with neodymium magnets that give smooth response even under high power. The drivers are shielded so you can place them anywhere without worry. The Class AB amplifiers are located in the left speaker and have a power output of 50 watts RMS and 75 watt peak power per channel. They have a frequency range of 50 Hz to 22,000 Hz. The cabinet is made of thick, high-resin MDF walls and has extensive internal bracing to minimize unwanted resonances and distortions. It's ported and has a rear-facing port slot. The cabinet, drivers, bass port, and amplifiers are all critically tuned together and make for a much more efficient system. Audio Engine also includes a USB power supply for charging your portable devices while listening to your music. The USB is for power only and doesn't support audio or data transfer. If you're looking for an elegant bookshelf speaker with premium performance, the Audio Engine A5 Plus won't disappoint. Before we reveal number 1, let us know in the comments below what you're currently using and if it's time for an update. Be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with the latest product reviews. Number 1. Best Overall Speaker, KEF LS50 Meta. The KEF LS50 Meta tops our list as the best overall bookshelf speaker. The speakers measure 11.9 inch by 7.9 inch by 11 inch, weigh 17.2 pounds each, and are available in 4 colors: royal blue, mineral white, carbon black, and titanium gray. The two-way speakers feature a unique Q driver array with a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter mounted with a 5.25-inch aluminum woofer. This setup produces sound that originates from the same point in space that is uncannily real and utterly convincing. The tweeters feature metamaterial absorption technology that eliminates unwanted sound from the rear of the driver for a more natural performance. The speakers have a recommended amplifier power of 40 watts to 100 watts, 8 ohms impedance, and a frequency range of 79 Hz to 28,000 Hz. The cabinet is ported and features a flexible offset port on the rear. The flexible port walls prevent resonances from coloring the mid-range, and the patented offset port is calculated to delay the onset of turbulence, leading to improved clarity with exceptional depth and detail. The low diffraction curved baffle and smooth curved surfaces help radiate sound without any interference from hard edges, resulting in a cleaner, more precise sound. If you're looking for top-notch performance, the KEF LS50 Meta checks all the boxes. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the next video for more product reviews.